In the tumultuous 1960s, America faced an unprecedented environmental crisis. Air and water pollution were rampant, forests were disappearing at an alarming rate, and the future of the nation's natural resources hung precariously in the balance. Citizens were alarmed, and so were the nation's leaders. They realized that the time for action was now. In the midst of this crisis, a bold new idea was born: the creation of an agency dedicated to the protection of the environment. Enter Senator Gaylord Nelson, a passionate advocate for the environment, who saw the urgency of the situation. In 1969, he rallied support for a bill that would establish a new federal agency to address environmental issues. The bill faced fierce opposition, with powerful industries lobbying against it. Yet Senator Nelson persevered, rallying support from both Democrats and Republicans. His efforts paid off, and the National Environmental Education Act was signed into law on November 12, 1969. This act marked the beginning of the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. The EPA was tasked with educating the public about the environment and the importance of its preservation. However, it was clear that more was needed to tackle the growing environmental crisis. In 1970, Senator Nelson introduced another bill, this time to create a stronger, more powerful EPA. The bill passed, and on December 2, 1970, the Environmental Protection Agency was officially established. The EPA was given sweeping powers to regulate air and water pollution, control hazardous waste, and protect endangered species. It was a bold step towards preserving the environment for future generations. In the decades that followed, the EPA faced numerous challenges. It faced resistance from powerful industries, political turnover, and budget cuts. Yet it persevered, working tirelessly to protect the environment. Today, the EPA stands as a testament to the power of human determination and the importance of environmental protection. It is a reminder that we, as a nation, have the power to shape our future, but it requires action and a commitment to the preservation of our natural resources. In the words of Senator Nelson, the time has come to act, for the sake of our children and our children's children. The Environmental Protection Agency remains a beacon of hope for a cleaner, greener future.